you've probably noticed something. Most side hustles are just second jobs in disguise. If your side hustle still pays you by the hour, you don't own a side hustle, you own overtime. And if you're already working a 9 to 5, the last thing you need is another job that eats up your evenings. So in this video, I'm going to show you the side hustles that actually work, specifically if you're busy. Not hype, not get rich quick. Just things that make sense when your time is limited. But first, let's talk about why most side hustles fail. Some of the most common side hustles are food delivery, rideshare, surveys, and random reselling. There's nothing wrong with them. But here's the problem. They only pay you when you're working. There is no leverage, no ability to scale up, and they are not really a long-term asset. If you stop working, the money stops too. And if you're already tired after your 9 to 5, that model doesn't work long-term. So here's the filter I use. For a side hustle to actually work for a busy person, it needs 3 things. First, it shouldn't require you to be working at a specific time. Second, one piece of work should be able to make money more than once. Third, it shouldn't drain you completely after work. If it doesn't pass those 3 tests, it's probably just another job. Now let's get into the ones that do pass. First up, we have digital products. This is one of the simplest models most people ignore. You create something once and sell it again and again. That could be a budgeting spreadsheet, a fitness plan, a Notion template, an exam study guide, or even a checklist for job interviews. It doesn't have to be complicated, and it doesn't have to have a high price tag. You already know things other people don't. The key is this: you build it once, and it can sell 10 times, 100 times, maybe more. It won't explode overnight, but it becomes an asset. And assets are what busy people need, not more shifts. Our next hustle is niche content with a purpose. I don't mean become an influencer. I mean pick a narrow topic and create useful content around it. It could be explaining simple finance ideas, reviewing tools in your industry, teaching a skill you use at work, or even documenting your progress in something specific. You don't even have to show your face. The reason this works is simple. Content builds over time. One video might do nothing. 20 videos? Now you have momentum. And once attention builds, you can earn through ads, affiliates, or your own products. It's slow at first, but it stacks. And stacking is powerful when you're busy. If you want practical money strategies like this without the hustle culture nonsense, make sure you subscribe. That's what this channel is about. Now let's move to something more immediate. Coming in at number 3 is specialized microservices. Most people say, I'll try freelancing. That's too broad. General freelancers compete on price. Specialists compete on value. Instead of saying, I do graphic design, you say, I design LinkedIn banners for real estate agents. Instead of, I edit videos, you say, I edit short-form clips for finance creators. Narrow down. When you specialize, 3 things happen. You get faster. Then you are able to charge more. And finally, you need fewer clients. That's important when you don't have much time. You don't need 20 small jobs. You need 2 to 3 higher value ones. Last up, we have digital asset flipping. This one is less talked about. Instead of building from scratch, you improve something that already exists. For example, buying a small website that isn't optimized and improving it. Buying a neglected newsletter and growing it. Buying a domain name you think will be valuable later. It's not about gambling. It's about spotting underpriced digital assets and improving them. Busy people don't always have time to build everything from zero. But improving something is often faster. And again, you're building assets, not just income streams. Here's the bigger shift I want you to think about. The goal is not to work more hours. The goal is to build something that works while you're working. Your job gives you cash flow. Your side hustle should build leverage. Most side hustles don't work because they ignore that. They trade time for money twice. But working more isn't the answer to creating wealth. Working smarter is. Now that you are starting to think about working smarter, it is time to make smarter daily moves towards your wealth goals. Check out this video here to learn more about the regular habits the rich use to build wealth.